My name is Barbara, and I'm in 8th grade. The name of my community project is called Healthy Cooking with Beanie and Barbara. When I learned that 1 in 5 children is overweight, I decided to do something about it to help my community eat healthy. My project relates to the following Roberto Clemente's principles. Firstly, equality for all. I believe that each child should have equal access to healthy food recipes. Second, I am extremely passionate about healthy cooking, as you can see, and I want to share my passion with other students. Third, I am up against obesity in children, and my project addresses this problem. Fourth, I discussed my project with my teacher, and I followed his advice to do a healthy cooking book. Lastly, when I started my ideas with my project, I was determined to finish it the same way I did my other book. Now, about my project. I have a pet bunny. His name is Beanie. Beanie always eats healthy. So I decided to make a book with Beanie as the main character that will hopefully inspire other children to also eat healthy with easy, healthy recipes that I personally created. I am planning to publish my book and give free copies to my local public library. Here is my book. I am presenting 3 simple recipes. The yummy salad. Yummy salad has simple and healthy ingredients such as mozzarella cheese, tomatoes, peppers, turkey, and lettuce. Secondly, the easy cheesy pizza with vegetables. Third, a healthy and delicious nutritious dessert with farmer's cheese instead of ice cream and a lot of fruits. I hope these simple recipes and my pet bunny Beanie will help people eat healthy, and I am very excited to participate in the Roberto Clemente's challenge and help my community. Thank you.